Spider-Man is well known for his bad Parker luck that ruined both his professional and love life. Several hot girls came into his life, but no one stays forever, and his awful luck also ruined his date night with Lois Lane in the DC universe. In the 90s, both DC and Marvel decided to increase their sales. They should cooperate, and they create a massive crossover, Marvel vs DC, where heroes of both universes battle each other for survival. But not just the heroes, normal civilians' lives are also affected. Perry White is kicked out, and in his place, J. Jonah Jameson is the new editor-in-chief of Daily Planet. But it seems Clark doesn't like Jonah because of his rude behavior, and on top of that, Perry is missing. Clark has no idea what is going on. And then Peter Parker, who is actually Ben Reilly, who took the mantle of Spider-Man, arrived in that place. Daily Planet hired him as a photographer, so Clark and Ben meet each other, but they both are confused about the current situation. Ben goes outside to grab some snacks, but in a shop, he sees the Warner Brothers merchandise, and Ben gets shocked, as yesterday, the shop was filled with X-Men stuff. And the worst part is, when Ben returned to Daily Planet, he learns the kingpin of crime, Wilson Fisk, is the owner of Daily Planet. But in this mess, Ben finds Lois interesting. He is impressed by her work and her beauty, and he wonders if Lois might be interested to go with him in a date. So he directly asks her. And hearing this, Lois is flattered, but then she reveals her wedding ring and says she is already engaged. And right at the time, Clark suddenly appears behind Ben, and he gets shocked when Clark reveals his wife is Lois. So the embarrassed Ben quickly escapes the room. At this time, Peter was married to MJ, and Ben is rejected by girls. It seems the Parker luck is also affecting Ben and messing up his love life. So which part you like the most? Please let me know on the comment section down below, and please like this video and do subscribe, as this will motivate me to make more contents. Thank you so much for watching. Everyone stay safe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.